All right. At this point in life, I have completely lost my mind. I'm about to go to a dog park. Hey, beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl, So Models. And I'm on a little adventure today, okay? So I'm challenging myself to do things that I have never done before. I'm scared of some dogs. Growing up, I was scared of all dogs. Nowadays, now that I'm older, I am scared of some dogs. And I'm a big germaphobe, so I don't like anything touching me. People, dogs, nothing. I don't like none of that. But especially dogs. Like, I don't want no dog jumping on me. I don't want no slobber on me. They've been walking around outside. They're dirty. They're just dirty. Like babies. Just dirty. But anywho, I don't rock with them, okay? But I'm challenging myself. You do something you ain't never done before. It's a new experience, right? So, I'm about to go to a dog park, and I don't have a dog, and I'm not into dogs. So let's just see how this goes. Come on, y'all. Come on. Already. Just got here. Let me not bring no attention to myself. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I don't really know how this is gonna work because I don't know, because this one just don't look, this one don't look like it's gonna participate well. Wait, yeah, I said I would do 10 minutes. It might be 5. I'm pretty scared. Yep, I'm gonna just come sit right here. Just come to sit right here. Yeah, I think I've lost my mind. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I guess if I just act like as normal as possible, I'll be okay, right? I think so. The guy at the front made sure he told me twice that all dogs would be off the leash. It was like a warning, right? He's like, girl, you coming up in here with no dogs? Just let you know, these dogs is off the leash and this is their park. I was like, yeah, I know. I done been by the park a few times. I know what it is. This is a personal challenge, sir. Anywho, I'm just chilling. All right, so this is my 2-minute check-in. I'm doing all right. I'm doing okay. Y'all, no dogs have approached me yet. I'm trying not to make eye contact. I'm playing it safe. This is it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay, I'm sitting over here, kind of like in a cut where I can see everything because I don't. I just got to be able to see, and I got to be close to the exit. Oh, exit's this way. Got to be close to the exit, which is right over there, because anything can happen at this point. All right, I'm getting a little nervous. A dog on the other side is barking. It is a dog of larger size, so I'm just a little nervous. Y'all hear it? Okay, the lady got up to tend to her dogs. It's 2 big ones. Oh, Lord, y'all, let me not look too hard because we don't want them to run over here and try to be friendly with me because it's not going to work. For the most part, most of the dogs are staying with their owners or they are playing with other dogs. Whew, y'all, where's my timer at? I got to watch the time because this is... All right. Y'all know I was just burning up on the inside, but I'm an actor, so I played it cool. And the owner of the dog looks kind of cute, so I might get a man out of this, y'all. Never mind. I ain't gonna get a man out of it. They came and they left. Some dogs just don't be feeling the dog part. They be like, look, it's too many other dogs. My life is just about me, and I'm an only child, and I don't want to mingle with other kids. Okay, and I get it. I get it. The dog park ain't for everybody. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay. It's looking like my 10 minutes about to be up because the way these big old dogs just came in here and they are running around too freely. It ain't for me, y'all. Hold on. I got 2 more minutes here, and that 2 minutes can't come fast enough. My heart's starting to beat real heavy. My nerves is bad. More dogs is coming in. Y'all, this is playing it cool. I'm playing it cool. Oh Lord, here comes a big old dog. All right, just play it cool and act like I'm just chilling, cause once again, this is their park, and I'm in their park. So they got the free will to come up to me and do what they do. Yeah, I'm scared. Oh no, fam, it's a big dog fest. All right, I'm leaving. That was a lot for me. Jesus. All right, I'm walking out. Haven't made it out yet. So hold on, y'all. Gotta make sure I can actually make it out of here without getting attacked. All right. Hi. Oh, I'm an actress. Oh, I'm an actress. Look, ain't nobody out here acting harder than me. I don't care what anybody says. Ain't nobody out here acting harder than me, okay? That was heavy. That was a lot. That was a lot. Y'all, that was a lot. Ooh, let's stay here. I'm gonna just decompress right here real quick. Y'all, whew. Best actress. They needed best actress of a lifetime, not just a year, but a lifetime award. It's gonna go to me. I want the actress and the best actor award, the best actress and the best actor award, because whew, that was heavy. That was a lot. I did it, and then y'all saw that what I did at the end there, right? Once I was out the first gate, dog was like want to come after you. I'm like, oh hey, hi, trying to be all friendly. Get on in the park, get in your park and have fun. But oh y'all, I'm so proud of myself. My heart is like going crazy, like crazy. But this is what life's about. Just like challenge yourself, doing things that you wouldn't do. Because how you gonna know if you like something or not if you don't do it, if you don't try it, right? So when I get my little teacup dog, I'll be bringing it to the park, and I'll take lots of photos of me and my little teacup, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. So since y'all watch me do something that scares me, I challenge you to do something that scares you. Write in the comments below what you're gonna do, and then come back and comment after you've done it and let me know how you feel. You're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel accomplished, and you're gonna feel like you can conquer the world. So the more you do stuff that scares you, the more you're gonna feel like you could just conquer the world. You could do anything. All right, y'all. That's it for this week. I'll keep y'all posted on the next thing I do that just doesn't make sense for my lifestyle. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, So Models. Peace.